Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. If you can believe it, we're about to talk about Christmas makeup, and that is because I picked up the new NYX Flamingo holiday collection. That's what I'm calling it. I picked up this little 16 pan eyeshadow palette. Let me just open it up and give you guys a closer look. I'll insert some swatches here. I've had a really good experience with these ultimate 16 pan palettes, so I have little doubt that this is going to perform really well. I think it's a really cute color story, neutral but still a couple fun pops of color. The gloss that I already have on is this swirled butter lip gloss. This one is in the shade Sweet Slushie. There were several other different shades to choose from, but this is the one that I decided to pick up. I also picked up this little trio right here. These are the Smooth Whip Matte Lip Creams. So I'll be changing into these throughout today's video. I also picked up some lashes with a black pen style eyeliner, and I also got a new eyeshadow primer that I have yet to apply. We'll apply it when we get to the eye look. This is the shadow and liner primer, and I believe it comes with, yes, a little doe foot applicator, so definitely going to be looking forward to that. Now I got a free gloss, but then there was one that I ordered. So I got these right here. This is Milky gloss. This brown shade right here, this one is called Milk the Coco. And then this other pink leaning one, this one is called Cherry Skimmed. Yes. So I don't remember if these are part of the collection or if one was a free gift with purchase. Not entirely sure. I'm going to have everything linked in the description box. And as of right now, these are only available on the NYX website. I'll be creating 2 looks with this eyeshadow palette. And of course, I will be trying out all of the lip products that I picked up. If it is your first time here on my channel, I just want to say hello and welcome to all of you. My name is Steff, and this is what I love to do. Love trying out new makeup. I am primarily a new makeup review channel, but I do multiple looks with eyeshadow palettes, makeup ranking videos, haul videos. We have a great time talking about makeup here. If that sounds like somewhere you want to be and something you want to see on pretty much a daily basis, I want to invite you to become part of our makeup family. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, hit the bell next to it. That way you can be notified every time I do drop a new video. And if you're a fan of NYX, you just want to see what this Flamingo holiday collection is all about, be sure to give this video a thumbs up before you go. As usual, everything that I'm wearing in today's video, which is practically a full face of NYX already, will be linked and listed in the description box. Some of those links might be affiliate links, so if you do end up shopping through them, thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. Let's dive on into this Flamingo holiday collection. If you want to see how the 2 looks I'm going to create, plus see some lip swatches, keep on watching. Alright, so we're going to start first with this new eyeshadow primer. And I'm just going to apply some here to my lids. I didn't have, well, actually no, I take that back. I had a NYX eyeshadow primer other than the glitter primer, but I had to declutter it because of age. So I'm always happy to try like affordable makeup, drugstore makeup, even when it comes down to eyeshadow primers, because sometimes I know just, well, in general, everything is just getting more and more expensive. So if we can find a nice, affordable alternative, I mean, why not? Even if it's something just as basic as an eyeshadow primer. And NYX was running a 30% off, so I got a couple of these things at 30% off. Obviously not the eyeshadow palette and the things that were new to the holiday collection. Those were excluded from the sale, but yeah, it was during Labor Day, around that time when I ordered. Okay, so I am so excited for this one. Flamingo Frost eyeshadow palette. Way too cute. Guys, I am, and I've told you guys this before, but I'm one of those with the pink plastic flamingos in their yard, in their potted plants. I just always loved flamingos. So this collection was definitely right up my alley. And I know some of you that live in Florida, you're like, yes, a flamingo Christmas collection. So this one is definitely for you guys. So I think I'm going to start first with this light pink shade down here, and then I'll probably work into this shade and either the black or this red. We'll see. But I'm going to start with this shade right here. And I'm taking this shade on a Game Beauty E01. Okay, so this eyeshadow primer definitely has some tack to it, which I don't mind, but let's see how these shadows are going to blend on top of it. Right now, I'm just kind of stamping the shade, and then I will lightly blend it out. But this is why I love the E01 from Gain Beauty, because it allows me to do both motions, especially when it comes to like a lighter transition shade that I apply in the crease. This is my favorite brush for doing that type of work. Now I do have mascara on already, and that's because I had to film something right before this video. But the mascara I'm wearing is also from NYX, and it is the On the Rise mascara. Okay, I love this shade. Blended on top of the primer really well. Now I'm going to go into the hot pink shade up here. I'm taking that shade on a BK Beauty 211 brush. Just going to be focusing it on the outer corner and also into the lower part of the crease. All right, now I think I am going to go in with this like red rusty shade just to deepen up the outer corner. I'm using a Rephr 13. This is also the perfect little brush, especially if you have hooded eyes or just want to keep the shadow to a specific area and still be able to blend it out. The Rephr 13 is a very useful brush. Ooh, and those shadows are pigmented and blending with one another very nicely. So far, we're off to a really good start. I'm going to pick up the Gain Beauty E01 with no additional product. I'm just going to kind of lightly go over all of that. Okay, now I love pink and green together, so I'm going to go in with this beautiful green shimmer shadow. I'm taking that on a damp Morphe M709. Now there is a pink shimmer in here that I think I'm going to pick up with my finger and add a little bit to the center. Wow, that is so beautiful. NYX, I tell you, I think they're definitely improving upon their shadow formula. Really, really nice. That is some beautiful shimmer. Very foiled. Loving it. This is the pink shimmer. I'm just going to pick up a little bit with my finger. I'm going to tap it in here. Don't know if it'll... Yeah, look at that. It gives a little bit of like a violet reflect, just kind of like out here. Let's do this green for the lower lash line. Now this green is going to be more of like a satin, and I'm going to take that on my Gain Beauty E09. I didn't spray it. You could, but I'm just going to use it dry. All right, I think that was a very good call. The little fallout you see, that's just from the mascara since I'm going over it with this shadow. Now with that same brush, I think I'm gonna do, let's do this shade right here, and I am gonna spray it. Just pop that here in the inner corner. Okay guys, we definitely have a beautiful look. I am going to be using the liner, and those are the lashes. I'm gonna have to trim the lashes, but I'm gonna take care of that off camera. I'm gonna change into a different lippy. I'm gonna go into this lip trio over here, and I'll be right back to show you the completed look number 1. So here's the completed look number 1. I love it. These shadows perform so well. I did change into the pink soft whip matte lip cream. This one is in the shade Onesie Funsie. And I do want to try, now that I have you here, I want to try applying one of the Milky glosses. I'll do this one right here. This one is in the shade Cherry Shamed. So we're going to put that on top of the lip cream. One of you asked me what my favorite formula is between the Milky gloss and the butter gloss, and I still have to say the butter gloss is my favorite of the two. but this is what it looks like now with the gloss on top of it. I do want to point out that the eyeliner, which here it is also a lash adhesive. So it acts as a black eyeliner, and it also acts as a glue for your falsies. And I did trim them down quite a bit. And then for the lower waterline, I went in with this NYX Epic Wear liner in the shade Intense Teal, and the mascara I'm using in today's video is NYX On The Rise mascara. I love this look. Let's move over to the left eye and we'll start working on look number 2. So for this second look, I think I want to go in with the matte black. I think I want to pack that all over the lid, and then I'll use maybe this shade or perhaps even this shade to kind of blend out the crease a little bit. But yeah, let me start down here. I have a little idea in my head. I'm using my BK203. I'm just gonna start packing this here. Wow, that is a good matte black. Okay, I'm gonna grab my Refer 13, and then I am gonna go in with this lighter shade in the crease to kind of just blend that out and shape it a little bit better. Now I'm going to do a combination of this shimmer and this shimmer, and then maybe I'll do this one like in the center. So I'm going to start down here. These don't have shade names. They're just numbered on the back. And I do want to point out that those with asterisks say they're not intended for use around the immediate eye area. And that is because of the certain dyes that they use, that they can cause staining, perhaps even some irritation, those of you with very sensitive eyes. So just be mindful of that if you pick up this palette. And I'm using my damp Morphe M124. Now I'm going in with that rusty red shade. Same brush, I did spray it, just flipped it over. Ooh, beautiful, but I am definitely getting some fallout. Okay, now I actually think I'm going to go in with this shade instead, and then we'll do this one for the inner corner. Just right here. Oh yeah, gives it a little something extra. Ooh, this is beautiful. Okay, for the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with this shade. I'm using a BH Cosmetics pencil brush. Very nice holiday smoky eye. Now I'm going to use this shade for the inner corner. Same BH Cosmetics pencil brush, I just sprayed it. Hey guys, we definitely have a beautiful look. I was able to use quite a few shades in this palette. I think there's only 2 shades. Yeah, there's only 2 shades I didn't get to use, and it was this one and this one, but I don't doubt that they perform well. I'm going to add the liner with the other falsie, and I'm going to change lipsticks, and then I'll be right back to show you this completed look number 2. So here is the completed look number 2. I really love the way this smoky eye turned out. I did change lippies, but for the lower waterline, I went in with this LA Girl Neon Shockwave eyeliner in the shade Penny. Same everything else. The lippy I went in with was the brown one in that lip trio, and this one is in the shade Memory Foam. And I do want to apply this other Milky gloss on top of it. I just wanted to let you see what the lip cream will look like on its own. This Milky lip gloss is Milk the Coco. And there you have it. I do have one more lip cream that I need to change into. It's going to be the red one. But so far, I've used all of the other products that I picked up in this Flamingo holiday collection. There were some other things available, but I just wasn't able to pick them all up. Now that we're done with the 2 looks, let me go ahead and wrap up today's video, and I'll share with you guys my final thoughts. Okay guys, so here is the 3rd and final lip cream in that collection, and here it is right here. It is this one right here. This is the red one, so you get a red, a brown, and a pink perfect color combinations. This one is called Cherry Cream. I love it. Look at that fun pop of red. This is definitely a year-round red. I think it is so pretty. And the lip creams, the soft matte lip creams, are a really comfortable formula as well. Guys, I have to give it to NYX. They did a really cute collection. The eyeshadow palette is definitely worth picking up. Hopefully it goes to Ulta really soon, but don't just leave this Ultimate Flamingo Frost palette for the holidays. It is definitely year round, especially if you love flamingos the way I do. You're gonna want to pick this one up. I just bought it mainly because of the packaging and because I love NYX. NYX is one of my favorite brands at the drugstore. This is the little bag that the eyeliner and lashes came in. Remember that the eyeliner, it's a black pen style eyeliner with lash adhesive with lash glue in it, so it's your one and done liner and lash adhesive. I think the trio of lip creams are perfect, and I think this is, are these full size or mini size? I don't remember. Does it say? Let me see on the box. Matte lip trio. No, these might be, they might be mini size. Although you do get a good amount of products in here. You get 0.13 fluid ounces of product. So far, I think that the eyeshadow primer is definitely a must have, but we'll see. We'll see how my eyeshadow does throughout the day, but you'll definitely be seeing me use this more going forward. I do like the This is Milky gloss. I do prefer the butter gloss. It's just an old fave, but these are a little bit thicker, but I've never really noticed that they like clump up or anything like that or get sticky. I didn't apply any gloss on top of this matte lip cream, so what you see is what you get as far as color goes. And I think that is it. Yeah, that's it. That is what I picked up from this year's holiday collection, Flamingo collection from NYX. Now I want to hear from you guys. Let me know if you all picked up any of these products. I know a lot of you were anxiously awaiting this video, so I hope I did not disappoint. Let me know which look was your favorite. Are you team 1, team 2, none, all? Sound off in the comments down below. Let me know this Flamingo holiday collection is going to be in your future. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water. Cheers. And I'm going to see you all very soon. Bye.